In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Airbnb gift card. If you've got an Airbnb gift card and you're ready to turn it into travel credit, here's exactly how to do it. You'll just need your gift card code and access to your Airbnb account. Start by opening Airbnb, either in your web browser or in the mobile app. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where you want the balance to live, because once a gift card is redeemed, it's tied to that account and can't be moved. Next, head to the place where gift cards are redeemed. Click or tap your profile, then go to Payments and Payouts. This is where Airbnb keeps anything related to your balance and payment methods. In this section, look for the option that says Redeem Gift Card and select it. You'll see a field where you can enter your code. If you have it copied, go ahead and paste the code right into the box to avoid typos. If you're typing it in manually, enter it exactly as shown. Hyphens usually don't matter, but make sure you're not adding extra spaces. If a character looks confusing, like a 0 and the letter O, double-check it against what's printed. When your code is in, click Redeem. Airbnb will confirm the code, and in just a moment, you'll see a success message. That's it. You're done. The balance from the gift card is now added to your account. You can view this anytime in the same Payments and Payouts area under your Airbnb balance. Here's a quick tip to make your next booking smoother. Your Airbnb balance auto-applies at checkout. When you choose a place to stay and move to the payment screen, your gift card credit will appear and reduce what you owe. If the balance covers the full amount, you won't need another payment method. If it doesn't, Airbnb will ask for a card or another payment source to cover the rest. Another helpful note, you can stack multiple gift cards. Just repeat the same redeem process for each code, and your balances will add up in your account. This is great if you've received more than one card or are combining gifts. That's the whole process. Open Airbnb, sign in, go to Payments and Payouts, hit Redeem Gift Card, enter or paste your code, and redeem. Your balance is ready when you are. Happy travels and enjoy your next stay.